Hello everyone and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day. I haven't done one of these in a while, but it's a cozy Saturday. I thought I would show you some of the meals that I've been loving that are simple, easy, cozy, delicious. We're here for a good time. We're here for some really good, yummy, nourishing recipes. And I'm so excited because this video is sponsored by LMNT, which I have been a ride or die fan for a couple years. But before we get into that, I wanted to share with you guys my breakfast for the day because this is like a perfect, to me, weekend breakfast. I'm having some eggs, you'll see, with a bunch of protein in them, and then waffles with like this chocolate hazelnut butter that's like sugar-free. It's kind of like a healthy Nutella, so it has all good ingredients. It is divine. It is so yummy. The perfect fuel for my workout this morning. So let's go ahead and get into breakfast. All right, now that you saw breakfast, we had breakfast. I went to the gym. Normally, back in the day, I didn't used to eat before my workouts, but right now I'm really trying to put on muscle, which means I need to have protein before my workouts so that I can like build muscle, versus if I was not trying to like build, then I would kind of do a fasted workout. But the one thing that you guys saw that I start my day with, I come downstairs, I'm just waking up, and I grab LMNT. And this is what I do every single morning, no matter where I am, all the time. Water, LMNT, before coffee, before anything else, I hydrate. Your body has been dehydrated from sleeping all night, so the first thing you want to do is hydrate, especially before you have coffee, which is a diuretic and it's dehydrating. I carry LMNT with me everywhere I go. Raspberry is my favorite flavor. It has a science-backed ratio of electrolytes in it, and that's what is key, is that they do all the work for you. They have a science-backed potassium, magnesium, sodium. It's all in this convenient pack for you. You mix it with water. I don't do like a full packet in my morning water. I do kind of like half, drink water, and then I have the other half after breakfast. But it is 0 sugar, it's 2 grams of carbs if you count carbs, no gluten, no dodgy ingredients, paleo, keto, vegan friendly. Electrolyte imbalance is so important for so many different health issues. A lot of the time we're not hydrated properly. I know if I didn't use LMNT, even though I eat clean, I wouldn't actually be hydrated properly. My cells would not absorb water. Essentially now if I drink water, like I always drink LMNT just to make sure I'm getting all of those vital minerals. Minerals are needed in order to prevent things like headaches, muscle cramps, fatigue, even cravings in between meals is normally an electrolyte imbalance. Again, ride or die, I carry them in my purse, car, travel, like anywhere I go, I'm always finding packets of LMNT and like sprinkling it in. And you guys will see this latte that I've been making with it for the past 3 months since it's gotten snowy out. I'm looking at the snow right now. It's just perfect. So I'm going to leave the link down below if you haven't tried it yet, or even if you have, you're gonna be able to use the link down below to get a free sample pack with any order. That way you can try one of each flavor. Like I said, the raspberry is my favorite, and the next one I use the most is the chocolate, because chocolate tastes good in smoothies in the summer. And then in pretty much any warm beverage, I make hot chocolate with it, which is just like chocolate LMNT and water, maybe splash of nut milk. You can also put it in coffee. I love it in coffee, in lattes. Those are my 2 like ride or die flavors. So check them out below. Let me know what you think. I know so many of you guys' lives have been changed by LMNT, so I'm very excited for you guys. Anyways, now it is 2 p.m. It is time for lunch. I don't know where the time goes, and especially on weekends. I feel like, how is it already 2 p.m.? I barely I got up, had coffee, like made breakfast, cleaned the kitchen, went to the gym, came home, took a Costa to the field, my golden retriever, showered, like put on a comfy sweat outfit, and here we are. It's like lunchtime already. Where does the time go? But luckily I have leftovers, so I'm gonna make like a salmon bowl. I got salmon leftovers with avocado, some cauliflower rice and spinach. It's just easy. And tonight, I'm so excited. We are making short rib tacos, which is like, short rib is a love language for me. Short rib is the most delicious thing, and like with the snow outside, like cozy short rib tacos. I'm gonna probably do some baking, like a nice blueberry galette, because we have some blueberries to use up before we go skiing next week. So look forward to the rest of the day in my eating. Eat through me, because it's going to be a very enjoyable experience. But that said, let's go ahead and assemble some lunch. All right, I want to show you guys my yummy, delicious latte that I make. I like to use full fat coconut milk because it tastes like a dream. I froth that up in my frother, which I'll show you. And then I add in some chocolate LMNT salt into my little decaf coffee mixture, and we are good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the short rib that I'm making for dinner. It does like simmer for like 2.5, 3 hours, so I wanna get it going so that it can completely like get tender. And if you've never had short rib, you're gonna be in love with it. Like if I were to name my favorite kind of like meat on this planet, it would be short rib. So it's really easy. All you need is some broth, tomato paste, an onion, your short rib, and a couple spices. All right, so that's gonna be simmering. We're gonna go ahead and make some galette. I have some dough that's been chilling. I love galettes. I think they're just so fun because you can use any fruit. Also, if you see the tomato juice kind of spray, but I'm like, if I change my sweatshirt and I keep watching it, I don't want to spray something else, so we're just gonna roll with it because it's not that bad. But let's go ahead and make galette. I'm gonna make blueberries. This is my dough. I will leave the ingredients down below to make one of these discs, or you can double it to make two if you want to make two separate ones. We're gonna make blueberry. It's really simple, and that's what we do on weekends. We bake fun desserts. So we have our beautiful short rib that's been cooking all afternoon. Oh, it's so good. And then these are the tortillas that we like to use. They're the Siete almond flour grain-free tortillas. They're really good if you heat them up for a couple seconds each side. And then the beautiful galette has been cooling. I feel like Martha Stewart, like a clean living Martha Stewart. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out LMNT and check out the link below so you can get your free sample pack. Try out these recipes, tag me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.